Once the source system has been configured for HA4i, we are ready for replication and can send the objects over to the target using a save and restore. When the objects are saved, they produce a natural start point for HA4i in the journal. In this demo, we will complete this using internal tools we have developed. It is also possible to use a save and restore process. Ensure you do not save and restore any HA4i libraries. Using PDM, we will list all user libraries. Using one of our commands, we can replicate each selected library over to the target system. We will select the same libraries we configured in the previous video, configuring HA4i source, as well as an extra library we will need for this demo. Moving to the target system, we can see that the libraries have been sent across. Because this was a save and restore, we know these libraries are currently synced across both systems. Taking a look at BravoJourn on the source system, we can see that the files have been journaled and we are good to go. A technique we use to identify the start point for each journal is to change the journal receiver using changeJourn and passing in *gen for the journal receiver. Now we know if a change gets made on the source system, it will be picked up by the journals. Before we can configure the remote journals to HA4i, we need to start them. Looking at all of the journals, we will select option 8 against each journal we have created. As we did before, pressing F16 will show the remote journals. Selecting option 13 against each remote journal link will start replication from the attached journal receiver. Refreshing the page, we can now see this link is active. Once each of the links has been started, we can configure each remote journal. For this demo, we will use the defaults. Finally, we need to set the start points for each of the journals. Choosing option 3 from the HA4i configuration menu will allow us to set the last apply for each journal selected. Here we will set the sequence number to *first. Pressing F5 to refresh, we can see that we have set the start points with no errors. Now we are ready to start HA4i. See Starting HA4i for more instruction. Thank you for following along.